papunta?
Kaya...
Hindi mo na alam.
Quezon.
Quezon.
Mariraya, Quezon.
Anong okasyon today?
Ano lang? Kakain lang.
Kakain.
Birthday celebrant, Ate Tessa.
Celebration. Okay. So today we have a visitor.
Yes, okay, samurai.
Your name is Okay Samurai?
Yes.
Hello! For today's vlog, ako yung mag-voice audio since wala si Boss Retsuko sa vlog na to. Gaya ng sinabi ni Ate Tin, we're going to Caliraya after the wedding of Ate Kit and Kuya MJ to celebrate Ate Tessa's birthday. Also, para ipasyal na rin sila Ate Tin before leaving the Philippines. So, ang una namin pinuntahan is yung White House to register. Tapos, dumaratso agad kami sa activity area. So, nag-avail kami ng day pass lang since mga 10 AM na din kami nakarating doon. That cost 630 per head na may kasamang meal stub.
Fall in love with you a little bit more.
So, right now we're going to eat lunch muna before going to the activity area.
I think I've lost my way. I fall in love with you a little bit more.
So, yung food pala nakasama dito ay iba-iba per day ata, depende dun sa chef. Ito yung mga new activity. I-rate ko na lang yung food ng 5/10 since daming langaw, pati hindi naman siya masarap. Joke lang. Depende siguro, maarte lang ako. Ito yung mga activity na kasama sa 630 pesos. Yung sa dining area pala, doon na din yung located nung zipline, pati yung swimming pool, pati yung hanging bridge. Magkakasama na sila doon.
Just in case you need to know. Hi, Julia. Little bit more, little bit more.
Ang inuna nila yung hanging bridge since sarado pa yung ibang activity area and mga 1 pa yung magko-continue since lunch break nila.
Even on the days I'm not so sure, I fall in love with you a little bit more.
And mama also tried the hanging bridge pero tignan nyo ako sinilisi ba't daw gumagalaw yung bridge.
Can't explain it and I don't know what to call it. All I know is I keep falling. I fall in love with you a little bit more. Little bit more.
Keep your solo.
I'll take a picture. Okay, now I'm your photographer. Okay, so go ahead. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. Natural smile.
Si Rosa yung style ni Rosa. Yung babae na yun. Si Rosa pag umistyle yun, babae. Parang si Rosa, pagka malayo, alam si Rosa. Kasi maglakad doon.
If you go here pala, you have two options if babalik ka dun sa hanging bridge or using the bamboo. Kaso yung bamboo is not sturdy, so possible talagang mabasa ka and kailangan ng life vest, sabi nung ate.
Fall in love with you a little bit more. Fall in love with you a little bit more.
After the hanging bridge, nag-swimming na agad sila. Pero guess what? Sino yung umiiyak na bata at sino nagpaiyak kay Juju? Naglalaro sila nung sili-sili ata na game, tas ayaw ni Julia na tataya siya.
Oh, I treasure good moments like that.
Again.
So, habang nag-swimming sila, si Kuya Ros naman ay pumila dun sa zipline mag-isa. Hindi siya naligo since wala na din ata siyang damit. Also, siya kasi yung nag-drive. Baka napapagod. May ewan. Tanong niyo na lang siya. Habang pinapanood siya, tanong niyo na lang siya ha.
To be honest, I'm still figuring it out. If I could be candid and tell you the truth, I'd love to figure love out with you.
Ala, Jung!
It's the path that we made to be safe and secure. A shelter that's true. Count on me on the rain again.
So, for the third activity naman is nag-kayaking sila and ito, umuulan na dito or umaambon, ganun. Tapos finish pa rin nila.
100 small heartbreaks to talk it out instead of parting. If you ask me what that is,
Dahil bawal pa si Bella dun sa kayak, nag-swan na lang sila ni Ate Tessa, pati ni Dindak. Kasama naman to dun sa may 6:30 na binayaran.
I just wanna figure love out with you.
Tawagin mo sa amin. Sasakay na lang kami.
Side comment lang, pangit ka partner si Ate Binda, iyakin, gusto agad bumalik.
Hold my hand and assure me it's when you tell me things that you never tell anyone else. I'm discovering things I never knew before.
Tingnan sa salamisan eh.
Love is all
Yung pang-apat namin na ginawa is yung biking. Ang dami kong tawa dyan kasi puro sira yung bike. Tapos, binigay ko yung Ate Binda yung sirang bike na nakuha ko. So, ito lang yung last video sa phone ni Ate Tin and 4 out of 10 lang yung nagawa namin dun sa mga activities. Bye-bye!
love is all these